Mr. Tracy said, "Oh, yeah, the movie we Devil Between My Legs." Dave, me think me wuye eja me yire ne me mahwa ka me wu kwa. Me Tracy me fa kwanya so aka cho me mpo nim guase da. Some mama obi kwa so metena me platform so omedi wata me mpo nim guase because me Tracy nim guase a e ka nima bebre won ma e ka metimi dey good Tracy nim as a long time. Me dey Tracy ho yawo. Seriously. But normal. And the Ohima Jackson the first person but sister comfort. I'm an abe Christoni. Oh yes.
Hi, this is Vivian Jo Lawrence. Keep watching Dave Hammer TV cause it's the best.
Right, I was more called Baba Dave Hammer TV so yeah that must say bibia mo hwe and necessary assessia na enche na bronye ba rewind concert e ba so live e was Sunset Hotel. This is Sunset near we ye da masi sa bibia hold it down na bibia ye bia no ekoso Sunset wo de nyame na afi ye di Reggie Rockstone ye di X-Do ye di Chicago ye di Akatechi ye di Dilawa Screwface ene adada form started hip life no eneba so okay Danny Boy ye be wo adoring samai oni be wu os yenji yeni omo nyina eba Sunset Hotel on the 21st of December 2019 it was Sunset Hotel regular 40 Ghana VIP 70 Ghana. So grab your ticket and let's all enjoy live at Sunset Hotel. Yeda nwedia herbal mixture so ase. Na say malaria bi a chebe no kenye nwedia herbal mixture. Kai e kamitimi sorry ye. Dr. Kennedy nyame shaw say odi nwedia herbal mixture aba ama say ya ye vlogging nyina che say ye nya ahoden ne de e blog live on YouTube. Na say Tracy ene eye ababawa Ohima Jackie Awakofa asema bagana o na ehun sensem bibiri na anu ise wote ya Tracy bu fu ama wa fire abranti a ode eye Ohima Jackie ebe ye sa review no man kofa sensem ni nyina ba na abranti yesu se wo wonsem ka asem no wutie ha na watie ha so na hu ne ekoba ma Ohima Jackie etimi fire Tracy de also oblemu AMP TV Oblemu AMP TV pa if the AMP TV ne shase and o share that ma eye ababawa Ohima Jackie e fire na sa nsabre ye betie AMP TV so nanum asem AMP TV e friend Asante Asante Multimedia to say on that AMP TV ano na almost one of the most trending YouTube channels. Tracy see one trending pa. AMP TV so on the so. And the who is who? AMP akwaba. Bibia find it.
Oh, yanko pardon, bibia find.
Can one sem kakache AMP TV mo ye hinfo.
You can't AMP is simply Asante Multimedia Production. Okay. Your production also so I need to when it comes to online movies, music videos, hyping, events, a whole lot. That's all about AMP TV.
Yeah, bonito. Ohima Jackie, a year day, Odin Kotina TV so man could didi, a year Tracy Atem.
Dave Hammer, Eddie Kain, me Chacha, a year Dave Hammer TV for Ashafuna, Yanka Sanso, Misachia, me Papa Reverend before. Michia a year nana one. Me papa nana one. Michia Kofanochi a friend say Akumadine, Michia pa, Michia Dr. Kokoti, Yame Papa Sumu, Michio Munina. Dave, and yet to say Makofa on Ohima Jackie. Abetlame channel so say on did you be atom. So in AMP since I'm starting industry na chepa. Me ye adwuma no nka say enne kra na bloggers adoso Dave de woni bibia Dave kra de bia meka because way back I started from Tons of Fire na me manage Tons of Fire nest mo me say movie industry mu me started pain and gain a premier no Kumasi first time me nipa ba ye manage most of the movie actresses no China Christiana Wuni Louisa Dinkra and as I say, me also cool and I juma right now. Eti I have been in the industry for long. And also watch AMP TV so obi abedi adanse say ade a me ye di gu nipa no ase ebi nsi da. Say me ya ade say emegu obi no ase embedi di obi atam. Channels videos ni na also me delete video bia obi mo pa mo nyina obi an come videos one by one na mo hwe say my ya ade say me de tanisho obi image and I say my kofro obi say ombedi di obi atam a you will know. Dave, you can show business then. We hello review. Good. Every Saturday we are 3 o'clock. We review. 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. We review. You see now watching the moon no and same see and only a canning album near to dare, their co ye, the uncle ye, none idea. Ohima Jackie has been my sister since then. I check. Yeah. Me de be an amehana saw him over AMP on the be not channel. I say kwamna media say social media say no mejai Facebook kura we free on oba nam say onye review mami say review say within say week no so na say me bra akoso e bi ne friend say Reverend Bofo ne the Same Tracy Mo ko yin and say me bra e na ohima a review ba so what I say as to say ohima kwaka say bia Tracy anyway no Dave, you and I know, say. Me nya dia me catch and say, "Onko di you him friend say Tracy atem. On him onko di Tracy atem." So what I say? And Tracy and Jackie ewo omo personal issue a. I think say omo asem enye to the channel no.
Omo personal issue.
Me nim there so more personal issue as. So say Tracy say a friend say didi na time me na mama no kwan so ombedi na time. Say me na mama Jackie kwan say ombedi na time. Na ka me ntwen say Jackie emfa buchim na ombedi na time because ka monkofo bebre wa me ka me mo ombedi o matem pa. Mo nipa bebre wa ka why Jackie? Give them make sense what I say. Aden na me ma Jackie abasa ombedi na time AMP TV so. And I didn't so Jackie kwan asem na no oka ngofo nipa bebrebe.
See Natari now share now no way in no for no na o man ho kwan say on fire no.
Enim sada. Asem nya Jackie kwan e kan wasem. Eh friend say akwawe the friend say ne shoe say yeah shampoo. Shampoo kan enipa bebre kan satare no wasem. And then Jackie kwan akwa satare wasem anu akwa news. And there are a lot of platforms so asem we call so. Why AMP TV? And go na asem we nkwan Tracy aso mu gidi. Na Tracy me pe Tracy enim guasia. Dave. Tracy me do Tracy from day one. Di time do Tracy ni. Tracy your bar okuta makoma ani bi. Me akoma me wo Tracy kutabi. We business minded. Onim say ade be ya ade a obi betima bu mabam said the opeso ye na no ano be ye it be Tracy atem busa Tracy say all ye ne movie we devil between my legs Dave me think me wuye eja me yire ne me ma ho a ka me wu kwa
then dey see
yes and then I be cast natural Tracy the method the whole region also ye bi Okumase o ye bi Osunwan o ye bi Accra o ye bi Obabi bebre musa Tracy me dinachi wo be bia okoyi bia me Tracy me fa kwanya so aka cho me mponim guase da se mama obi kwa so metena me platform so omedi wata me mponim guase because me Tracy nim guase a ekeni ma bebre won ma enka metimi dia good Tracy nim as a long time because e bi kwa timi sheda obi a friend say in short code obi share that media and some AMP Tracy short code here will be na duane no dia nka fire news we never blog it say because duane kwa na toilet mu wo ma na say bibisa so I don't do that me follow
yeah man for the person sabotage
no an nko for no movie industry sabotage oh yes I don't do that me blogging go bi anim ase me nya sa de no dia na menya bi go anim ase na menya me ho a mfa so be na wo so. Now there Tracy K me yan say me ba YouTube ndi en menya ni ma bebre YouTube aye ni ma bebre ama me na bia me tese Tracy Buachi a o show up
open name on the low
Dave who me tese adwuma be na me yansa na me ba industry you know it na me dey
now wow company I know
Yeah, Willis Decoration Service. I was the one of the best designer decoration. Me who is catcher. And yet showbiz in and buy and I YouTube never miska. Events and yeah, that is how they more home proud the more in they are staging and those staying and I was there.
But that's also why you're there, national pa.
I did my amana.
We cry now, so I send in. Now on shed your himajaki kafano.
Nah, showbiz now.
That means you had an agenda.
Tracy Enyama showed in showbiz. I'm telling her right now. Get into the maker, sir. Say Tracy so send the mommy. Bisan so send the mama. Or did you be send you to me send my some to me business send the bijame. I am status. Any day, a shaman call for. And also my blocking. What is show business? I say. And no cry motive cry also when you say I dream be no why na person do money or be ba say me na me be queen. There is nothing a platform. So what I say? Ne koye ma Tracy so e. My imagine keep better now so and okay say Tracy will dress na nice. I see the man a person will dress henceforth no dress here mo pops them and say see the Tracy here bia so na mo hwe so and so e. And calling me Baba Kwana. Have you get the point? Tracy see my mobra. Di ma teme be nema bo am hwe video ndi nema bo kana wo
wo de ye mfa no nto nchen now de chire mu de ntie ma ne ko ba sa o yima jacket mi fire ne sa at least people want to know because Tracy no hu say wo share chire and na wo pese o yima jacket like ogu nanim ase
asema Tracy kan ni na de me an say osema mobra and then me kan straight at Tracy say mobra on am mobra because me di na chine ne ye adwuma nyina no ade am di do mam 200 Ghana cedis asema opomra out no meka Medina Chiko Sunya, Quakra, and semi brace see. And semi brace see. Kamanu to me as a special blogger, a professional blogger, who be as my yanka. Kamanu to semi brace. Oh, I'm 200 Ghana cedis. 200 Ghana cedis not the bell, or expect some of the bubble. As Auntie Jeffaka Mefro. Your course, I almost had to pay devil between my legs. Any palma, as to the MCA video, Dave. I said the host when I by video, no premiere, no. Any pair by Craten in Kakre Bisunya, Kakre nearby, and so call AMPT is not correct. Tracy Bachi premiering. Monkoshe Nipa as a professional Nipa, make Catan and Nimguasunti, be ye video, no. Emma crown so far, a crown so nipa, and Shadan Kwamamina. I dare find Kumasi was massive. But Nina Oko videos now, you guess yes. It is any who say Tracy may go any answer for what? Mental Tracy, me don papa. And workers a member short code any interview. Obianco MPT so no question, my short code I interview that.
There's a no cray.
Menya Obia interview short code da. Now, Mr. Menya Obia interview short code da. Onu Tracy kwa obe na you know my baby's mama no we the press conference one we say video no be posted on my channel so I only share that video man post it on my channel so man share because I'm not going to advertise for Tracy to get money. No, I won't do that.
Why?
Oh yeah.
But it's all part of the show business.
No.
When you're helping your sister to promote her business, it's
Dave, helping your sister. It was a BN. I said me by on and confident the crowd to say, I need to be a comnas and to maybe be a man a pain. And I saw the frame. I sent a dear way, I'm a party, maybe in CBM. So, me, I'm a papa reverend before. Dear no, him, I just see uncle. I'm fan who was a day. No, as many day. I am a Juma. A general Juma, Dave, which be category, so no baby, so. And how real I am. Because me channel so reverend about for one sempan kwa eti papa no mistake sintoni no and I hear yan kan nipa ho ayi de bia ne mapa kwa na yan kan fa nipa ho me dey Tracy ho yawo seriously but normal.
Wow, abusia AMP TV me who say our hit say that. He's such a calm guy. If he's who know calm, but AMP,
You Tracy watching at the Maba TV, and I say, I remember people who me you won't know say mini. Because the Jumana here and we go out, we research near the Aba. Obetimako baby kwa answer no be able say AMP no no. We say oh there be no because me I'm just cool guy and simple guy. We just home and I'm shiminika. I'm them talk me come baby. I'm always business minded. And I Bob Brian because say a brain and carpet and I come in me feel in here. And I mean one thing me fashion of car me car type. We say abrabobia or name up. Obo peka pa e bi so no ni fie. Obi so wa opefie pa e bi no ni car. And a bibia so na emre. It be a Tracy whom say time be home with the taxi. I'm fine. That's how I choose to live my life. So what I say. That's how I choose to live. I'm a YouTuber. YouTube. Listen and say a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. I was the first blogger to get 66 million views, which is also cool series now. Imagine. Say YouTube. Imagine. So no how money will be now. Enya no kwa hwe adwumade amaye me ba industry no maye adwumade me brebe na se miracle friend say sante why are there first now we are the be na ente wase we industry na sata ma na CD some na koso no you were the smarter guy can say there be ade we be can CD some na homo mo from adwene ko YouTube so medically most of the artists, most of the stars, producers, no obia. Say obia on a single channel. Anya bia takuni simple akwana. Eyinhira. Me nam GC wo. First woman na etwa movie na da koma a friend say Kalemode was one. You know that or that to no in Nigeria for no. No my pes cafe bi no da mom. Me nam stop so ade ni nyina. Se munjai. Bonia bie platform at all. Fakoto so. Didi. Men kwame ndidi my year my industry no at Ghana Entertainment Award this year so the whole YouTube na me na award no me ni paboni na akere ba me no mo hwehwe ni mem so what I say and ni pe ye nyini o se ye nyini na they are more of and ma bi and but the way Tracy as target because I was wow
bia ono so hwe bia se ne ohima Jackie so horo no won wo channel no so na anye ne de
meka se Jackie horo ameni problem and I mean say the Jackie no o ya ade na wanya de and Tracy hone de fan juma show or ye review it's me Tracy kan so mete ya na so am review as show business is na no
we videos aba o se mo kra ho nsem de bebre wo
me ni nsem bia o se me nsem wo fama
Achi o se oni wo nsem bia ande no kra
me enipa David so ni me nipa me ho ni asem da nsem bia ni ho
ene Tracy kai o se oni wo nsem bia but wo ya
bibie no ma ye pon fama Tracy me dono bi do Tracy o ena me penasem ena the way Tracy hu me a ohun bloggers a me ne Zion Felix on CFM Tracy hu me sisi so be say AMP wow na je me penasem me dono on so do me etide mo bo kra are kwabna we dey antwa me nipa e be me kwa me Christopher Cheme see efe so they say of course e ba me so no won say am say o frame nya won say am say mema of course e ba me so na AMP am say Tracy Boachia na be kumi enye Tracy Boachia me obi ani me talent na say Dave me for na my star my impact what is me in you but to come on air and do whatever say David me no there David me enipa woni me David there
ba me crack course na ba me so no na doso people want to listen to the side of the issue because it looks as if they say like you had an agenda so the neighbor na ho say on sheda na ungu nanimase so they really wanted to until be Tracy say ondi ohima Jackie ho ya but odi wo ho ya
say Tracy ka say oni ohima Jackie ho ya odi me ho ya or you right only the time ka so you right no ohima Jackie ba no review no person be and I'm say onye review mami
aso po bia ma ye anai review abefa ono no onye ma ohima Jackie mu no mo trend be no mo opo bi ama na be review amawa so and also onye ene ye den
ohima ya ga so wonye na me se me share onya mame so and I say most of artists now mo wa brochering na no mo ba want to so study me mo wa o mo ba bi on ba platform so obo obedru ya Dana Sledge mo Boga Sylvia mo Gloria mo abrochefo na mo wa yin na mo ba pa o bedru Ghana want to no me free and I'm not kasa kra Murphy ba junior US manager Murphy oba of AMP me bo can I share my airport we that's what I do most when me channel na abrochefo no more it's no ni ade am ye no more it's a bridge ni bi obebe bia na de sa na ma na abrochefo so nya the vibe and say this is what is going on. So what I say, it's tracing function. I just say metana. And I say my plan say me person me yen bonnet. And I'm using your platform. Tracy say my OBB na enya facha me.
Oti o de bebe no so. Wo say upo bi amana a trendy wa. Be fa ono no nye review ma o. Enyo hima jakimo. Omo ne trendy.
Ono Tracy me fair Tracy so my review and cover. Ma when the time make us no. Na say ye by you hono mo. On the short code o fi on man say makeups and Anita Fusu madam for pa no. Me try ice. Once the artist be by ice. Very good me try an interview. E ho na me try no. Na me say me fair Tracy wa cha no. Na Tracy show office pa some we be catch no. Because bisa nkra na say mo madam ho say madam office and e ko inside am say uncle on friend kan so AMP on friend ma akra say ba back be catch me say Tracy ni ho.
Hi, this is Vivian Jo Lawrence. Keep watching Dave Hammer TV cause it's the best.
They say a video and it's had a twist to say about short code. So I say me about short code and it's our time now me but me to me duane and I'm say a video this to me to say short code and man fo bia me tena to say the about was anya wana me business because baby am me interview be and Pinkberry more watch and dine and I me interviews and I dash corrections when I me interviews. It me more locations I me interviews that. It's na short code ho na me be na short code we tum dodo e ho no o ka so be interview just on mount light be there o me penisa so what I say it one for me man short code me obi interview that or pa on come platform so no check when be adwuma na me kwa me me no me be na asele e me ma short code oh yeah this time me Tracy me selling because Tracy
I said the oye so how
anya aha me ma first adwene dada Mr. Tracy me my first agenda that because one me did Tracy Buachi bre ewo devil between my legs no all be baby mama no busane say apart from press conference of fair obi or the 1 million 100 Ghana cedis
AMP
AMP so Tracy Buachi on respect me brand no obuzayan Felix pa me hwendi obuzayan Felix cheme aso me na tikro ma no mu Zion Felix otimi twa Zion Felix ticket mani free Accra plane ama ne ba e be ye adwuma sa amman ska 1000+ to no no ko all because Zion Felix me busanse Tracy wa me there o mu me etimi me there shema adwuma da da nya asem ye o say me ade a me ya best sell Tracy wa I won't do it I will never do it because Tracy wa na me na tia no enti no waka se ma mo bra ampa se ma mo bra Tracy wa no ama ma mo bra me ye adwuma ma o ma miska on twa meka on say mume iti bra ma mo nyina ne solution nso ye wa that's it.
Wow. I say me the education o nyina ba mu dey asem great.
Oh yes,
oh my goodness God.
On say KF yes many break many mre say bia oh me Zion Felix the mini Zion Felix me is opema sem so do Zion Felix e hia ni di agrokwa efe di am kwaji award ono na gi award no AMP efe but un say a situation whereby say untimi endo bi emetan bia na so untimi mbe ye nyina ye adwuma baako Zion Felix so a blogger me a blogger ka respect ade bema in the same thing ade bema bi efe And so
now no social relationship or no what is a brother and sister. Business side ne free.
Dave, enye bibia na eska. Me kwa de ka nipa anka won pesi kasema nka emia. Me kwa de sala no. Ya metima ya de ma be you say my badam. Sika nye bibia in life. Money gain shit. Obi be say money gain shit. Sika nye bibia. But edimpa. Me ba industry ni manya dimpa bebre. Manya body bebre. Anye bi obi be ka say enamasante so na be star. And I'm a Santa Suna Minyawe, and I don't know ye a chance Sicano. Sika do dear Chevy Bra, and then Bra, Emwa, but obey the day. The respect are very necessary. They've heard this in the Passibu, Ostati show busy and easy. Ostati Hello FM, Dave Hammer, platform Krano, Unya, some Punwamba. Look at the respecter, Nebedu baby, na Ubedu baby na. Obi you atanta de once obeka say wow eh Dave Hammer wow so one was ade no na ya pa
wow mi hu de mi campo MP se me ma wakonya se ka bibi church efa de esi ho a ama akofa sansem we nyina ba de na beka che no
me de enye Tracy Wache nkwa na mepa na chew Tracy Wache mepa na chew mepa saade no kasa bia ohima kan ya ye freeze anko ye bia no enye Tracy nkwa me ame papa Reverend Obofo me tene so na maso dada papa no do me odo soku odo ye mpiti mi bibia papa ntimi frɛ me no mama miska Quincy Ara timi frɛ me no mama miska otimi frɛ adwuma we adwuma ma ye mpinkwa adwuma we sei etimi me ye bibia ma papa na enya me ya se papa no kura no onhu kura mama miska umo timi frɛ osoko ni manager no mo we papa ne do me asudie no hwɛ ye koi etibita papa na say me say that papa no betra on say enko e show business and me papa no so what show business say papa no he say me say pekusem di kwa ayon blogger oh no what show business and I say most of the pastors don't understand he say we are saying ten so what I say etineme bu on as show business na you me antia say e na de bi e be ko sa ye politicians omo betimi abetina ba bi ayiye anso ade no de bo no mo sankwan that is business time is off a drew enuanom etimi po bibia chew Tracy Wache I love you papa fache me smaye obuni Reverend Obofo papa ayo 31st so there AMP ni osoku ya be sell editim ni nyina eba so ebe bibia betimi bi ade support obi biara de bi no bibia nkoye bia no me you should Dave Hammer platform me so I made that po bibia acho God bless you me kasa anso na ankoye a mfa nche me se me nipa samo a because the minim TV so kasa me de bia ejira chire me da se me twam camera and I say me direct enya asem na Tracy Wache ya de fu ya kofama be TV so a me hu me TV so da me mati me mfa nya hwe ti Dave Hammer na de om no.
Wow, 31st watch night ewo APC because we Jubilee Park, right?
And at 24th Tafo Street Carnival donko na sponsor AMP na donko ye Bo Street Carnival no e ko fi mole monne ada all artists ye be set Tafo big ade chenye so Tafo Awards Osoko fancy na momra Osoko be the best legacy award bi momra na mom support e ma bibia enya kama na me koso se monuma donko nso donko na e on say divine my wife on atadwe no pe nso on pensa sa nti atadwe no no pe yeah
give me no nyadua e ba Mr. Dr. Kwakuti Nyamishao Dr. Kennedy, God bless you. Say wa mama hoden because nyadwa e ba mixture you good. No ma yi malaria ni nyina free o ma unya hoden papa. Na 21st December so Rewind concert because was Sunset Hotel. Yes.
Yeah, be also calling me jam gidi every other best say
Rockstone Moba, Ex-Do, Chicago, Abrewanana, Dilawa, Screwface, just Nana Koto, habe de papa na new artists no so ye de bebree bebree talk about Akosia Gold, Maxi Made, Chiki Cheke omo na be shas you nti omo shas ya na afi dada for no regimo na omo so aba nti habe de 21st December was Sunset Hotel and 7 p.m. na jumede na shas ye opetikita oba Sunset ha obenya bi regular na 40 Ghana, VIP 70 Ghana nti bra na nyina ngie ni. Yes, Danny Boy or say Yenji any Nafia to ya Yenji any Danny Boy Sujinem live band. Because good.
When ye any Nafia so Yenji any Kai.
I've the brutal 21st. I was Sunset Hotel. Sunset would nyame and yet I swear fair.
But organize show say na yeah the way I was a man of four now heard the red carpets no on tire be now was a paying for. Any more parts, name Kranos in your more parts. One every year beyond this program in Uja every year be our cosine.
Yeah, because na yeah, Tracy, baby, I will be as you chow. Jumano seni easy cano. AMPCSL Tiasie, and Yenye may be an also chikum.
I don't make one animal could say, Tracy. Although we was through it, was me pa was me. That's it. They know we but Tracy would make man. We're bad.
Hi, Dave Hammer TV. Yeah, that's a baby. I'm shame. Yeah, the AMP Swasi. Oh, you're very busy, pa. But Dave Hammer would do tea. Now say yeah, or not. So I'm on 14 side of story because fire now air banner. I'm on for bashing. No, I know she. Hey, I'm on for comment. Hey. Ebi anu oyaba o eh ya buntu mo boas yo
commentators say mususu ni at
unu ani pipa antika eh obi timi se kire na no pa o say mimi ye bushman
oh ayasemo
ya muntu mo boas ya da mu nyina mo asese mo hwe Dave Hammer TV ya kra mo dum ya okay yeah mama ma kwan say eche na edi bronya
mechia Mohima Jackie UK
na say owen
UK very soon nenyom na on show boy ben be out na video na music video
bi o mi ba o say on show boy ayenyom
on show boy ayenyom
individual ba bontin onam adro so okoje adro dia be ye nenyum no o say
show be me and am draw plan nyina show business na wan fa bibia me shima December ekwe Dave kebe down and once we aba ma wo kura wa benye the same thing
do patch so him Jackie wan kwa adro so okoje adro
a music video Ghana have to watch out e be launch bibia you have to watch out Showboy and Ohima Jackie and music video no bibia I have all the behind the scenes there I have everything there
any amount for the girl na temper
and you show not show base as Ohima Jackie is the one of the bloggers and man or wakuma na kuma kula mu du cheme
na piti wanja bibia say so won ko adro so ko jedru
enwum ne mo no and Ohima Jackie is the first person be say comfort amana be Christoni oh yes ade bibia na was
na hotel na yesi na oni Showboy wo ho na o ye omo ye lovey na ba abonte en so
you na wa out me sade ne ne wo so ko ho me wo ho hotel me na mkwaji hotel ni na ama o UGC e ho ne nyina ayeti edidi da sore ko ba why na Showboy ne lovey be it's all show business man tia see ade bia sa
na ni naked video pictures in the video
naked pictures
Tracy so on the naked video
what the crowd I confirm Tracy as maybe
hey you say wo ain't you see video ya Ohima Jackie kanchi say bosom ne moa no afi obi obeye ne boni bia oje bambo no music video
ebeba mo a music video I was there.
Why that concept?
Na debia na was a concept ne bako na obi ayi da be sie no we ohima friends Christian Love we enenwum ya abefo betutu car engine friends enenwum video yi abefo no bi ne car bonnet no matutu ade eche enti why debia was yes sir yes that's creativity and the culture the good culture of Africa any portray enti we nyame ba na se nyankopon anka so kwa so ne so nyankopon kwa so ne so enti ade na me ba ntimi nkwa so ne so nyankopon na obo abosom ni nyina no kra abosom dem wo do se ba bia me ne umienu asia no e me ne umienu asia abosom dem enti nyankopon woni ho how oh enti mindset ne sa adwene na omunyi from ntimi nkwa
your comfort show boy no what to nyamyum ni bia na
ono otonyum dada o oh show boy gospel musician dada otonyum dada
comfort to gospel music
no ye comfort say sofo ampa o
okay
oh o say na akom de e frɛ ene afrɛ no wo twini mu time ne betene be yepe wan comfort na wan komo a o gina so de man na bet kikiri na ba.
How can a comfort still be a pastor?
Odo Nyankopon so nimse Nyankopon na boss so na asase he believes in Jesus Christ. And to who say as enso comfort some na family nyina no me wo me bofo mo ma amfa Jesus Christ so a ano ne ade a wo se nipa de hye o madwenem say enipa na opon na comfort wo ye nyina no so onya o adwene bi so se obetimi so abeye Nyankopon ba obetimi so abeye great person. Ya Jesus Christ say nka carbon e fon kwanko ka papa fon kwanko ama o say na me no boni ntino ba
Asemi me wanwa asemi me wanwa enti de
me count mo heavy I'm telling you the ref fact
asamba yesusu nka ho
it would say na we do imagine ki atema di show by atema di atema what
enti why na this video ni send it Tracy Boachi or send it call ma manfo
Tracy Boachi was so smart and Tracy Boachi ko kana I quite remember girl be when I'm study or German or can Tracy Boachi yeah and so na me platform so say Tracy Boachi no ha ma hon and so na me the to me platform so and also say MP Tracy Boachi yeah obe kana opese o kire se ono so ho yeah onyadaje ma o sa nti ano de
asemu me pese me share comfort show boy
why not wait me share no mo share no very soon we any about you yeah from yanko
me pese me share no because me pese me ni di nkomo
yeah mo share no
me da say na wuchia enjia no wanwie
na me chia dan na sledge me dan na ba ko pe Canada me do ohima jaki UK me do me wife yeah Germany I love you abroche for glory amo abroche fo ni nyina mo MP Judah US manager Murphy Oba Ghana me chia mu nyina me chia me mpranfo nyina me chia me wife fo nyina me chia madam fo nyina me chia MP TV followers and fans fo nyina
mpranfo nyina de aye hu
mpranfo pa o
ya verse ya friend me Dave Hammer odumdum ya you better say share bium ya da mu nyina mo say keep on watching Dave Hammer TV, subscribe to our channel, click on the bell, click on the red button na abribia ya abreast with the issues you better say share bium ya kramo.
Bye bye.
Hi viewers, I'm Sugar Titi. SHUGATI Sugar Titi. I want to urge you all to keep on watching Dave Hammer TV.